Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder, this podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday morning, April 1st, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of health, fitness, and wellness news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
NYC, Baltimore research scientists receive grants to study cardiovascular diabetes connection. New York City-based physician-scientist Anne-Marie Schmidt and Baltimore epidemiologist Elizabeth Selvin have been awarded the American Heart Association Merit Award, each receiving $1 million in funding over the next 5 years. Schmidt will focus on understanding how white blood cells contribute to diabetic complications, while Selvin's research will explore wearable glucose monitors and their impact on cardiometabolic risk in people with diabetes. These studies aim to improve screening, diagnosis, and patient care for individuals with diabetes, a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. The American Heart Association continues to fund groundbreaking research with over $5.9 billion invested since 1949, making a significant impact on heart and brain health worldwide. NutraCorp signs letter of intent to acquire CuraConnector.com Inc., expanding into healthcare information and digital technology. NutraCorp has signed a letter of intent to acquire CuraConnector.com Inc. in a stock-for-stock transaction, marking a strategic move into the healthcare information technology and life sciences sector. This acquisition aligns with NutraCorp's vision of equipping individuals with tools for informed health decisions. By integrating innovative technologies, NutraCorp aims to enhance health and wellness solutions. The chairman and co-founder of CuraConnector.com expressed excitement about the collaboration, highlighting the opportunity to empower individuals with better healthcare choices. This acquisition signifies a step towards expanding personalized healthcare technology impact and potential capital growth. Both companies are working towards finalizing terms and completing due diligence, with further details to be announced as the transaction progresses.
Break the sedentary cycle. National Walking Day can kickstart healthier routines. Sedentary behavior is a national health crisis, with 1 in 4 U.S. adults sitting for more than 8 hours a day, increasing their risk for heart disease, stroke, and mental health challenges. To help people move more, the American Heart Association invites communities nationwide to walk together on National Walking Day, April 2nd. Eduardo Sanchez, MD, MPH, FAHA, the association's chief medical officer for prevention, emphasizes that routine walks can be a simple yet powerful way to break the cycle of sedentary behavior. Walking is accessible and beneficial for physical and mental well-being. Tips for National Walking Day include inviting others to join, taking a conference call on the move, bringing pets along, and sharing on social media. Regular physical activity, like walking, is crucial for optimal cardiovascular health. Visit heart.org/movemore for tips and inspiration to build healthier habits.
South Shores Recovery celebrates the accessibility of its comprehensive covered California rehab programs. South Shores Recovery in Dana Point, California, celebrates the accessibility of its comprehensive covered California rehab programs. By accepting a range of insurance coverage options from the Covered California Healthcare Marketplace, including Aetna, Cigna, Anthem, BCBS, and others, their leading Orange County Recovery Center services are able to help more residents of their home state. Whether seeking outpatient therapy, inpatient detox, or longer-term residential care, California residents now have access to a full spectrum of services designed to help them overcome addiction. South Shores Recovery also facilitates smooth transitions for clients needing to transfer between treatment facilities, ensuring uninterrupted care and supporting continued recovery. Creative Biolabs advances non-IgG antibody solutions for immune system research. Creative Biolabs has been dedicated to providing professional non-IgG antibody production and purification services, including IgE and IgM antibodies. With a focus on IgE, Creative Biolabs utilizes proprietary technology to ensure high-quality antibody production for research and therapeutic purposes. For IgM antibodies, Creative Biolabs offers effective production methods and purification techniques to meet preclinical study standards. Additionally, Creative Biolabs develops IgA antibodies for mucosal immunity and targeted therapy, utilizing various expression stems and purification techniques. The company is committed to delivering high-quality and scalable non-IgG antibody solutions to meet the growing demands in antibody research and immunotherapy.
LysonID announces collaboration with Mayo Clinic to advance early cancer diagnostics. Lyson Imprinting Diagnostic Inc., LysonID, has partnered with Mayo Clinic to develop innovative early cancer diagnostic solutions. By combining LysonID's epigenetic imprinting technology with Mayo Clinic's clinical expertise, the collaboration aims to improve early cancer detection. LysonID's quantitative chromogenic imprinted gene in situ hybridization, QCIGesh, technology can detect cancer at its inception by identifying epigenetic imprinting biomarker abnormalities. The initial focus is on developing a QHIGish-based test for early lung cancer detection using transbronchial needle aspiration samples. With over 95% sensitivity and 90% specificity in detecting various early-stage cancers, LysonID and Mayo Clinic are working towards improving patient outcomes and advancing early cancer diagnostics.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.